Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation guide for the NXM molded case circuit breaker. Before starting, please disconnect the power supply and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. Please prepare wires of the appropriate specification, high-power electric screwdriver, M10 Allen key, wrench, needle nose pliers, electric screwdriver, and insulated gloves. Before starting the installation, please read the instructions carefully to ensure that the installation environment meets the requirements. Verify that there are no flammable or explosive gases in the environment, and that the environment is dry. Confirm that there are no corrosive gases at the installation location to avoid damaging the metal parts and insulating materials of the circuit breaker. Then, perform a visual inspection of the circuit breaker. Check if the standard accessories inside the product packaging are complete. Check for any transportation damage or defects in the product, and verify that the product model matches the order. Make sure the circuit where the circuit breaker will be installed is powered off. Then, according to the installation dimensions and data in the instruction manual, fix the circuit breaker to the distribution board. Please note that different frame circuit breakers require different screws and nuts. Install according to the installation dimensions, screw specifications, and torque requirements provided in the instruction manual. Next, start wiring by connecting the power lines and load lines. When wiring, make sure to comply with the electrical specifications according to the number of poles of the circuit breaker, ensuring all connections are correct and conform to electrical standards. Finally, insert the arc barrier into the mounting slot as indicated. Test to confirm the basic functions of the circuit breaker by following the sequence: reset, close, open, close, trip. Carefully check all connections to ensure they are correct and secure, with no looseness or poor contact. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.